Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into how to crack the RCDD exam with this beginner's guide. Whether you've just heard of the RCDD certification or you're trying to figure out where to even begin, this video is for complete beginners. I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step plan to get started, avoid common mistakes, and get on the right track from day one. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understand what the RCDD certification is. First things first, what even is RCDD? RCDD stands for Registered Communications Distribution Designer. It's a professional certification offered by BICSI, and it proves you have the skills to design and implement structured cabling systems for data, voice, and video. It's highly respected in the industry, especially in telecom, data centers, AV, and low-voltage system design. So if you're planning a career in network infrastructure or IT design, getting RCDD certified is a huge career move. Step 2. Check if you're eligible. Before you dive into study mode, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. As of 2025, BICSI requires you to have at least 5 years of experience in ICT design, or 2 years if you have a degree in a related field. You'll also need to provide project documentation or references to prove your experience. Tip: even if you're not eligible yet, you can still start learning the fundamentals and prepare early. Step 3. Get the right study material. Next, you need to arm yourself with the right study tools. The RCDD exam is based on the BICSI Telecommunications Distribution Methods Manual, or TDMM. This is your Bible. Other helpful resources include BICSI's official practice exams, flashcards and summary sheets, online forums like Reddit, Tech Exams, and the BICSI community. Don't overwhelm yourself, just focus on building a solid foundation. Step 4. Set up a study plan. Now it's time to build your game plan. I recommend breaking your study time into phases. Phase 1, 2 to 4 weeks skim the TDMM to get a high-level overview. Phase 2, 4 to 8 weeks study each chapter in detail, take notes. Phase 3, last 2 to 3 weeks review weak areas, take practice tests, and simulate exam conditions. Even if you study just 1 hour a day, consistency will beat cramming every time. Step 5. Avoid common beginner mistakes. Let me save you some pain. Here are 3 big mistakes beginners make: not using the TDMM as the primary source, waiting too long to start practice questions, ignoring time management and test strategy. Don't make these mistakes. Start slow, but start smart. Step 6. Join a support system. Lastly, don't do this alone. Join a study group, an online forum, or even follow RCDD-focused creators, like this channel. Having people to bounce questions off or just stay accountable with makes a huge difference. So there you go, a complete beginner's roadmap to cracking the RCDD exam. In the next video, we'll jump into the intermediate guide, where I'll share actual study methods and tools to boost your prep. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.